Hello everyone, I'm Syed Azazuli Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another important and informative lecture which is about the basic concepts of the field of criminology and law. These concepts are very informative and important to know about it. So I hope that these terminologies and vocabulary, which is also an English vocabulary about crime and criminals, will give you a lot of help. So before taking a start, if you people didn't subscribe my channel, so do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well in order to get notifications for the upcoming lectures. So let's start. Abduction. Taking someone away by force. Demanding money for their safe return. Assassination. Killing a famous personality or public figure. Assault. Attacking someone physically in a violent way is called assault. Blackmail. Threatening to reveal someone's secrets if a demand is not fulfilled. Bombing. Detonating an explosive device with a plan of harming people or property. Child abuse. Treating a child badly in a physical, emotional, or sexual way. Domestic violence. Behaving violently inside the home by giving physical or emotional harm to the member of the house. Espionage. Spying to obtain political or military information. Genocide. Killing on purpose a large number of people, especially from a particular group or race. Hijacking. Taking control of a plane, train, etc. by force, often to meet political demand. Homicide. It's also called murder. Killing someone with a purpose, premeditatedly and deliberately. Libel. Damaging someone's reputation by writing lies about them. Looting. Taking things illegally and by force during a riot, war, etc. Lynching. Killing someone without legal process, often by hanging, often by an angry mob. Mugging. Taking someone with a plan to rob them. Perjury. Lying in court while under oath. Pickpocketing. Stealing wallets, money, etc. from people's pockets in crowded places. Poaching. Hunting illegally is called poaching. Riot. Causing a noisy, violent public disturbance. Slander. Damaging someone's reputation by speaking lies about them. Trafficking. Trading something illegal, like drugs, people, etc. Treason. Betraying one's country by helping its enemies. Trespassing. Entering another person's area, hurting people, damaging property through force and violence. Vandalism. Destroying private or public property purposely. Bigamy. Marrying someone when you are already married to another person. Hate crimes. Crime committed on the basis of race, color, ethnicity, religion, sexual orientation, hate speech, accusations, or some other characteristics is called hate crimes. Forgery. It is the process of making, drawing, or altering a document with intent to defraud. Counterfeiting. It is done with the intent of fraudulently passing off the counterfeiting product as genuine. It is generally made with the intent to take advantage of the established value of the genuine product. Counterfeiting means false product. Embezzlement: taking and keeping the property of other, such as a client or employer with which one has been entrusted. It is also called financial fraud. Extortion: it is the use of threats to obtain the property of another. That is, if a criminal takes money or police from a specific area, people with force and threats against their consent is called extortion. So these are some of the important terminologies of the field of criminology as well as law. And these terminologies is also helpful for the students of English language who want to strengthen their English vocabulary. So I hope you got these concepts in a good manner, and if you are still any confusion and ambiguity regarding any concept, so you can ask me about that particular term in the below comment section. And if you people are new on my channel and didn't subscribe my channel yet, so do subscribe my channel as well. So thank you very much and God bless you.